Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to fix bugs and errors in Bilibili. So here I'll be teaching you how to fix some bugs and errors in Bilibili. So to fix some bugs and error, so there's two ways of doing this. First way is in the settings. So we're gonna go to our settings right now. So I'll see you guys there. Here at our settings right now, all we need to do is scroll down till we see apps right here. Press on apps, oopsie, sorry. Then click on app management. Now we're gonna find Bilibili. There you go. Click on Bilibili right there. Now we're here, and all we need to do is go to storage. And here, first thing we need to do is clear our cache. Click on clear cache right there. And after doing that, if it doesn't work, click on clear cache right. Clear cache right. Clear data right here on the top. There you go. And if still doesn't work, I suggest uninstalling the app by just pressing uninstall right here and then installing it again, or force stop right here. There you go. Force stop helps you stop if the app is super laggy, it won't stop. Now we're gonna go back to the Bilibili app to show you another way in the Bilibili app itself. Now, so for some bugs and errors here at the Bilibili app, all we need to do is press on me right here and then go down to settings. And here at our settings, all we need to do is go right here and click on clear cache, then clear image cache. Then there you go, image cache cleared. Other way, if that doesn't work, none of them work, you can do is report it to Bilibili. You can put it on feedback right here, or you can choose FAQs right here. There you go. Oopsie, sorry. There you go. You can either fax or feedbacks right there. So there. Hope you guys leave it. Enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type down question below. Happy to answer you guys. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.